Hello, is fáilte héag na seansaí mas maileh seansa acu ghlaciad ar na seansaí is mise hiú mo giile cheada agus tama ionta sweaty. Not the where ar aon like rud nervous nó mar sin bhí mai ceiliúradh agus tá go fálaigh dosú amach and notions ar fád a bhí agam. It was bhí se deadly bhí se tá teamar is cre le muid cólaachí le muid chuidir dús par se le aine bhuiir anig Jimar tú.
Well, just side note, narrow ceol go foil on daus election rare.
Lad, do you know what? Kind of scary marinating juices of dance, you know? That was a good.
Okay, bugger right. Níl me go mai nu hiú. Ní me mai
No.
bhí. Tá bheit có sin le a bhí.
Oh
Tá i dunar
God.
bhí go an dóise ar thuúfi lethair tá acu náhfuil se deas mar an sin is móna seatain agus bín tú gurí just colú an tam fad. So,
Hmm.
no, níl me go mai.
No.
Agus a ríis an teanse zoom goil se buíoh go me fiú an seo, mar níl sé is cimméid seo.
Yeah, no, sorry, can't miss go Michigan of more in Diva and this land.
No, tá se fáil full an dí venue.
Well, it can't be full on Diva, the man chop fast the James O'Flyer, the James Jimmer that too.
Yeah, grand. Bit of a rough night, Amsa, I'd say freshened to be honest, but yeah, still surviving, trucking along. So trucker hat is on. That's when you know now when my mo come on, I think, because can't style the hair, can't really get out of bed properly, don't want to do anything. So
No.
Jay, your shoot look at the rare.
just for my allergic reaction, Gurudegen. Agus yeah, so just ní chod am ngéal is like rum
Oh
chrakin ar
no.
fad tinne agus yeah, just a castle pugnism, but yeah.
Oh, James.
We'll get along, it's grand.
We're getting
Just
along.
another
We're
day.
getting along.
Just another day.
James eat bug Bart. Ah, Jesus. Oh my
No,
God.
no, this is the shoulder the run on with Nima get sympathy. Just don't.
Poor do say to Michigan
Yeah, trigger ang on
Oh,
sympathy. Nima get
but
in loving points, Nima get tada. That I hate all of that. So please,
But
Aishlo.
see, yes, have fun with it too, you know, when you're just like, oh please, oh boo-hoo, oh no. Like yes, you crack a bunch of the shin then to do
Oh
like,
no,
oh like
no,
this
please,
and
not to do it. Swila me, please.
Anya,
No.
come on
Oh,
now.
stop.
Listen,
Jeter
oh, Sean Road, like you know, like it's all a game. Like that's the kind. Do you think that's just a day? Like,
Come if any's mysterious. Tá me go version le
sh-
déine.
oh, and well, oh, but the scary game where
Yeah, níl me
Where Peter
maithe
on
mar derm an over.
the scary game where Peter Andre, mysterious girl, and then sitting flan good.
We think he's rolling so fresh in Lahana. I should be more mysterious. I guess should they? It's him like, what do you mean? It's usually like stop because it was like Insta stories like this Rudy Marhin. It's him like, but like most man of a picture to my get after sus like it was like a beautiful picture of a Guinness pub. I guess we had like
Mhm.
just knock your that. Like can't but they need go to nice mysterious if you don't put it up. I guess if they don't hear from you like Seachtain, they should like raw. Oh, call James. It's such a mysterious in it. You know, like do you know Nahul one cool bone in my body? So yeah. So yeah, I feel like Houdini just get jumping on the mysterious train these days. But yeah.
I think
Well,
so.
an dóigur háí an topic seo níos na bhí me caiint na chara le déine faoi tattoo or ail.
Oh yeah.
Agus Tá me géirí suirt ód go dtíon chapáin ail mé allar náhar me ceanar bhí me hálan sin, mé
Hmm.
a go Jordan na tattoo shops rite ag an Yakuza.
Yes.
So dúir me go bhhain ceanar bhí me sáile agus tá simbal peocha maithagam agus is simbal seapána atá an caiisan so dír mar char ar an cén cíad tá leis Star me óní me go linn sin do gonar bhí.
You're the
So
good.
like either ar a bheith percentage but runúnda dú héin is and then there's start my nation ach during an intro me de sinné a háinna bheith agam.
Yeah.
So níl me róhaid ag an rud seo go fáil tá me ag brewer work in progress ach just you know watch this space beidir go junta me started duine mysterious.
Níos
Nuair nachfuil se bhgar beidir darda sé haíthe.
níos sin entirely. Like our Harvey. Like our
Bud ró
Harvey.
caiinte.
Sean Rudd, serial yappers, like, you know. I think Like be much a Lord fluent Japanese in Tamar fad. Like ní dhéanamid a chaint agus fao
Should I
pointe.
actually tattoo hang
I
fluent
should know the
Japanese?
kid should have killed me here.
Ah, damn!
Bhí sa go mé. Bhí is agam you know. But ní féidir am mé dhéanú like ar Harvey. There's thing perma text le you know, bhí thing cant bhí mo Instagram scale. Agus dúirt Jesus, you know, like made me huge Christmas or Instagram sige whatever. Like, you know, solely ceir the our close friend stories sige. You know, mas Sean rud tá se sésta chusus go fubli solely and made tá se a chusus le haid just a hutch courage a hain. Agus I think my test I'll go say like Moko's friend story. It's just literally Misha conscious the camera be like, so Sean crack and Sean and update is Jenny or like mo fast because you know Sean like you know care to go to show but like even you know ain like scandal na gas na ain road and it's almost like reverse mysterious where like the thing like whoa the latch up back and whoa, it put through just that like DJ Khaled like knocked the our airplane being like me on a flight to Ryanair flight to London. It was just like Jesus kid folks Sally just like Christmas or it's from Chelsea again and there's just literally Misha exceeds net care in the woman see and it's been like so Sean Flan at the Aku Lahai Shaw agus to my year Shaw Yanu agus like could you like in with Shaw so I'm like reverse mysterious capum Shannon Shark at Hogum.
Barlam daoine dó náhfuil mysterious.
Yeah.
Ní hiagla daoine mistéiricha a léú i gceart. Agus just tá dégin orintanta get bug sneaky fishing.
But I think fast go the Padula Dini it's a mystery, you know, Gary Fulham what he knew if we didn't, you know. Just the Gary see this all right, Daniel, because you know you're wifed up, but Mahandig is James. Kai Virginia and Clea Emmert, you know, Kai Virginia, you know, we ni failing our hutch cardi your father hish bunch. They get thús.
An mai libh se Cailín atá mistéireach nó an bear libh duine tá like siondóid wahím.
Oh yeah.
Cards on the table.
Yeah, cards on the table, give and give. Absolutely. Sin, you know, just in my hoodum sa hain, sin an rudder bear lumsa, but the must just, you know, it's more just a cat, you know, it's more a cat like these, you know. I just love connection. I just
Well, in
really,
fairness,
oh
Ní
god,
féidir láta bheith mysterious is mú me tú literally
I can't from hain.
le triúr chláig gachar a lá
So just slightly darker.
I think when Earth bheith cant faoi do chud escapades agus do chud you know
Curse the shrill
do
mahil.
chud adventures agus rudí yeah so you know tá cúd é gúd a chláig tin rin tatan tá Earth bheith ag láirt amach faoi rudí grandver
Yeah.
so it's usually the funniest things are really personal so yeah.
Literally a region Jerry shocking if you McCann like in the much housemates you really agus be like oh I know that you're sure lucky whatever I guess she's like shaw whatever she got you the brown arm like I just can't from Hain and I literally got to my heart tonight it's just my lad beam to the Lord from Hain good profession to like to all right like literally you can't even true or so gachla it can't from Hain like
I just want to hear about you, baby. I'm all tucked out.
And tell me more like Neil Grugum like Curla tell me more Aberlum ní smó scandalous like absolutely scandalous but yeah no I think go but Tanny smoothing Gary and the whoa mysterious girl murdered Peter Andre just the Gary Gan a hundred of a are in the tablet and they're shit crack you know what's the arms. It can't be shit crack. Well, the opposite of shit crack. And mockish of Oraj Kieran Culkin on the Oscars are rare.
No, Niaki.
So basically, another Turcha was so when I watched it with Scanlon and Real Pain, it's absolutely unbelievable. Agus and grabbed him like Brad Hill check out the high best supporting actor. Turcha basically grow a soul vi sé Gary Canla ban hélas go fao you know pláistí bheith acu whatever agus céad líon pláistí a bhí chanáil agus dúirt si go you know go mé bhí gá fláist acu bhí sé Gary trí fláiste agus dúirt si okay má fáin tú Golden Globe you know it's fairling trí fláiste whatever grand whatever so an tagann seo ag dí am líon seo agus you know fáin se an Golden Globe agus dúirt si like oh with the sass dúirt well really my Gary like carpáist like an actual like ever be my Gary agus dúirt si and lo Sean O'Leary, this wasn't even like a mléanas. O'Leary dúirtí, well, nuair fáin tú the Oscar, yo muid cearpáiste. Agus dúirte seo ar fád ar an stáite ag na Oscars, agus dúirte níor fléimeid seo láat go dtí an ddíra an bumuid seo. So gachting gur mín lágad agus also Kermit's thús leis na páistí.
Well, him like Garahi Shesh Noalias Duri Shisha deals off.
Deals off.
The doing goal metriel for Lanu. Like,
Yeah,
and brew a current or Hisha.
yeah.
And Nisha Veg Umper, sure, been doing the like Arku, like baby watch.
Baby watch, yeah.
Like,
Hashtag
it's
baby
off.
watch.
Forget about it.
Just hilarious though. Like what an etch le sinna dhéanú though. An mín sib like i gcurc, it hasn't go mí daoine like ag fan at Suez le ar an Oscars and you're in sin Rio. Like have you ever been so buzzed?
No.
We Scanlan.
That's a you.
That's your road. I think we were near the Mistéireach we were away, never really saw you. But so what these fire just the Muscus was from and just then lister father within chin, you can just be like, you know.
Well, we share RT and play door bio a rare.
Yes.
The stream actually your file. Ima cholugasau. So Arkimera knew. Ake ganam kenneth am get to salty for Oscars and name Marieller Corsini cap.
Yes. Fair.
So agus I mean stuff a hain lesson. Ake sin rata Arkimera na bootory, Arkimera na Brits. Tá me géirí just catch up buggy anu an jar shaft na seo agus mo chud ólas le go ail, mar actually ní lis agam na bootory go fáil.
Éar do chunig mise in the Brits na Sabrina Carpenter.
Yeah.
Ingne Union Jack agus tá si in éan na nniu bhfuil?
Bíach.
Yeah.
And she knows gur dig sin a dro Barry.
No.
Huh?
What? What did you do that for you?
Just golco full on Britain.
Better cop on there. Tá ar in the English na áú le hí nocht aníos. What did you name? That would be.
James took she like, oh, better cop on or I might not fancy you anymore.
Yeah.
Might.
Sabrina. Nish.
Not
Sabrina.
fall in love with you at all.
Tá rá bháil tá sin. Sabrina bug sucking you in a snappy Genoa. But tá sin airí an Seachtain seo. I mean to say though, like James, I mean and come lots of feel like na gradam seo le high, like you know, Ceol na Scanlan or whatever. Like I mean to say Gurker and the awards like Kate Boo. I was thinking, I was like, ní cheap commit Gurk. Ní cheap gur come a lot. Like a real, like was there ever a point where we were like, oh, like came a shot like Marial go will Oscar again now, oh like you know, cinema checker shot Marial go. Sorry, just the silent head shakes speak so much.
An tough kind of podcast, James. Just
No, but just like
Yeah, me all like mas madam looking some go brand like just because Garushit gradum at all. Let's be real, you know, or no like it's gonna be doesn't mean go I go live out, you know. So I think my trial good film Keen Tana a Ru Oscar as you like the actually fucking shit. Like it's a fuck that all was the film show like.
Who's Scanlan?
Well, I know for a fact well chonig my River Rouge Oscar. I didn't think it was a shit like but we my like no chonig ma vi ma like I got Oscar wrote that, but by no means go bin film is fair outcome am never.
Okay.
Like The Revenant.
DiCaprio.
Okay.
You know, like
well, they're cheat grow and Buish in the war and Ebert in the Shay and you're the British acid.
But that's his fucking participation trophy, man. Like it's like either do it or do it right or don't do it at all. So now we could cool like you know like kid that Tarlu Joe like in fairness Oppenheimer no hang his good on you know. To be honest, like, you know, I'm about nachher sin go grúta. Ní vín ní hiúcann siad the Oscars amach like performances, it means comedies or anything, even though it could be a very good like role. I guess I just think it's like one genre ruins Oscars actually. I guess if you really brand on the genre, like to be honest, need more on gonna on the V Amraham like I don't think it. Walk on like about Conclave, which was
Well, Shingamai.
Yeah, well, can't we Shingamai? But
being Ray finds are my hero to be on a check.
Yeah, I still imagine in the Brits with you like my crew and Ritkins like song of the year. It's more a hula goatee pointe sin. I don't think got a shot on Spotify because Gaeilge I should eat like so
Mm.
I don't know. I think it's just each their own. Like what is sim ammunition kid I got gruchtal immer on the
Yeah.
league. But Ke hit a seach performance ma is go an ma vi skrift ma hanna hin.
Oh,
But yeah, so you know.
Well, tá
wow. Yeah.
tuairimí ag James ar maidin.
Having go scan on the guitar Shocking James that you would have absolutely hated. I just know that like good you would have absolutely hated it. I'd say probably actually not with the Nuggets on or heard Anya. A Razorhead, I think with her. So
Yeah, son the picture nu walk through and friggin'
just he's a picture
like
one,
Mexican
but
cartel stream Kings and genres nu.
yeah,
Oh, Pásca gom seo, mar
yeah,
rinne
they
siad
were.
third reference tá tagart to Gilmore Girls.
Taggart and Gilmore Girls, I think. It's a pretty guy. No, it's Sean Scanlon. It's like like the Shaftology. But there's the Hishman Ace Cinema Reach Marial and Stuart Horror, David Lynch, or Boas and Jenny. So it's in a cat Scanlon and you're on the shot. Gives feature like a homeland, black and white, Nero Maran, Kanch on their harpy. It was just like in Taran Shaw, basically Sakulra, and this like weird body horror stuff like feel like band that like huge cheeks. I mean the honey radiator Visha or Fod really at and it was just like I guess literally cinema landing it just called mer shot just like rubbing the smiggle and everything like it's just really
I'm múl.
simul you would have absolutely hated it
Well, tá mis se as gan an dúchas ban now, ní me có
oh like
coolaganta le James ach tá mé garcar na picture an seo agus tá cum kid freakier gothartha an bhain sin a chonín sa téthir agus
yes
it's ar corpse ar labí cumáid pointúin ar an git bagus le ET.
so sin Bobby sige sin lanam sige.
Le gur duine marú bhí an.
Nope, so basically Rollton is faoi and Birchaw being Lana Vacu and ní Urquhart Casa Lana Morris Gart and they're just saying what the fuck do we do with this?
Well, like, níma oppose le brand is go on the spawn, but like, ma tas go on go tarlu, to my get Ruskins to my get go actually tarlu Ruskins is go on, to my get
Yeah.
no plot kins on. Níma get raw. Oh, kit a chap to fi show. I was gonna make tour go homeland different amsa go dinner kins ala.
Do you know what is
Really?
fair? It's
Wow.
random
No.
How
shit.
about you go make story on you tell it based on my opinion as we cechi run main character nu dinner kins ala, but like more will absolutely fucking tad the tarlu one.
No.
You got to hain connect the dots in there. How about fucking no? How about you do your job and tell me the fucking story, huh?
Si cos le pís alína agus fáinna handan na scéal éagsúil as í de garcar.
hmm
It's just alright like films goes like Shutter Island and thought that oh we dackert dig mo winner today, but that fucking still plot on. Thought that good to gold cheese hurricanes. Like does it on the King should dubs ball nach choléint an a freaking content tub. Agus ní had the tall one. It's ní mar off with silent movies because they
Yeah.
let you down road. Ach na king if he chance acu audio úsáid agus should organs who were portach agus raw figure your way out of chin agus eb can happen to guns going on we'll just accept it. Fuck off.
A ríis caiimid béimach ar Neil James Mistéireach.
No.
Ríon scéal Tá lag agus soléir nó beating around the bush gan fefal heart ar bí.
But the other scale inch carta. Sinna méid sem rá. Sinna méid sa go mé dá. Má tá mis go ag comedy show agus má chluisem horror story.
Mhm.
It's not they're not doing the job that I literally signed up for. Was that so má go agus go on tá má popcorn am, tá má minstrels am, tá má coke am, nu Pepsi Max, eb the free means am. Tá má get go on, tá má get salt one as agus ní má get go mé orm A4 page a húsmach. Agus diagrams le fall amach kits a frigate at all as a Philip. Amazing sure.
I really but tell me how you really feel.
I know. I think we might kill any bug in sassy imagine. So
A gitbug.
I'd say your cartoon adult Dublin International Film Festival. I just think that's hilarious, which you actually creating show rare. But I would love legal Hig scan and latsa a tar or notion like and just be like here the cat too. Like I would love to all Hig like really artsy art house like pure notions. The fact that can't come with art or in the show ocean.
Yeah, well, Brent, to my husband rock clean is like here, Shay, Shaft off me. So like talk about fallen oceans, like so
That
basically if you on Pléann come is come off my band salt as nas gun but if we law it, just
it's just not in the boat yet. It's just níos tarlú go fáil. Ag léigen, ag punchaigen on. I have faith. I have faith that I'm going to turn you to a proper hipster. Riv Jaron the Bliana. Be art and you be art like re-education course of Horta James and ish to get him recultified.
Ceanú se city slicker ceart.
Sean, I'm móhíonn tú sin though, like agus tú tú fu ó gáileh inis le go seachtaí so móhíonn tú go tú géirí níos notionally inis James ná.
I think gur na notions a gona innom ach go se just tíocht amach.
Níl na daoine hartart ní se rá knock that off.
Yeah, it's just they've awoken association. So is that like his problem goes he's like ag na sauna is ice baths agus go out for a walk agus go out for a run agus go like coffee bouquet le pastry agus have a little R&R reset Sundays 100 more like yeah so definitely agus chumad a couple of pub kinda notionally like guys and nutrition so yeah but still the Christians like so Sean Horace ach yeah it's an ocean stuff they're coming out a bit yeah
Ach fiú na bhí tusa ar an garú bhhí mé gur gorótaí nóisinaí gompar le daoine eile an garúa agus chuúla mé sin ó a cardide or na go kind of like James hí gobar sna man á James so gomprad le go leordíine eile sim gur ortaí leat gorótaí nóisinaí gcónaí.
Yeah, like it's fair as I don't think there's the big so just take it on the gym like so yeah what's gonna actually go on like either leave like it's probably Hugh will actually appreciate that show how much comic book store Hugh
oh yeah
like
Jay I
don't know
no I'm curious no because Neo and your comic books speech to the jail station so came back with the shot
no vi me gar chonig ma like vi Joker rudi aku TV mo si ma like masu kinser rudi ita de deals and like so you ma like get rutins Joker vibes and then chonig ma the comic books like chonig ma kan ra the Killing Joke where comic book actually warrant the Joker the Batman like okay I basically gan I a lot of it my Sean like this is kind of a cool vibe yeah
James,
I might be one of these guys now.
James, I'm not. You might even feel just a rash or like just for the sake of a ra. Like that is genuinely Kindle the comic books is ceiliúradh as in like that is like that is as in like that is like so like must where they go to come toss or kind of wine like you should toss in your intention, but it's so funny to just like let's go for it.
Yeah,
real.
Yeah, because you shoot artists, you might like to my get Rudy they cut hard to my humor because I feel like we're still kind of little bit bland. I thought Rudy Seuss way Gaeilge in. It's like my guy can really small so the Joker obviously is my favorite fictional character. So you're like, what's a cool routine saw? See I'm a statues ma actually about cool. Cause I thought
with Lego boys, much Bionicles.
Yeah, the Bionicles like.
You too mag fine Bionicles shouldn't. Could that tarlú?
Ní robots on this was actually Heath Ledger like so Rouge I saw Oscar I'm sorry.
Listen, I love my wee boys. Na bhí magu ar much lads bug agus ar Mario Moore tar cool my laptop Emerson agus Arthur Morgan Foster or Red Dead Redemption.
Brother be rat tá custom Harry Potter prints ar an mála an cool and seo a bhí genta go specialta dú.
Oh my god.
We're all nerds.
We are all nerds. Literally, just Marielle get thirsty shit lum James. We were like, oh yeah, because like we're in the comics, so whatever. And then I copped school like she to like Kenny and Shaw, they're running Vagabond to late and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna order the fourth one ish. And you the Kenny's bookshop literally Oscar in ish because me it's great.
Come go Shaco yes, my gosh, that's town. Just come and shoot a shot to lifestyle sport, and I just hit my head off the wall. So, come on,
Reset, please.
Spike common Hughes bullshit and leis.
Ní bhééis omsa curly, and listen comment though.
I know.
You couldn't have picked it worse. And it's
Very
not
true.
the word nerd, mate. It's the word thing is the null, mate. It's a very important distinction. Le genu. Well, can't be nerds. The nerds is mó in éirí ceapamsa na Gael, absolutely. Na Gael
Oh
gairí.
yeah.
Agus tá seach na Gael go búte linn. Seach na Gael son dí sum go tagan dadí na Gael síos mar go sim léir. Agus go fágin te folklórí bugad hís ag bunmar go leaplaí inis. I think you know an dhéanaan tarling rí seach na Gaeilge. I'm Arva kinse. And we'll have all set, we'll have buzzer le haid. And cookish is gríthe is síl do gael.
Bhí am seo becartah just an mí omlan úsad.
Ag go ponte seo, I don't céim fa nachhfuil céim fa nachhfuil an aim ahrí acu. Like nas céim fa nach just a ra like alright seo cookish na gaeilge.
Mar ben na bearla or le go tuairt mag bhfuil muidir glacu nó glacu sellbeh.
Yeah, you have to, you know. But you know, if you can't let the river, because we should like dingy as team with the seal like being like, just had like more like earring like shock the guy and these fudgy got blia, and it's like no, it's just Marialgo and these small folk react on got blia.
Well, James Curtis tús le seach na Gaeilge hís in gáliú an deir seach na seo nar chur.
Yeah, yeah. It's a sports ground new by his new affiliated name on Dexcom Stadium.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my gober tuna energia it will Seachtain Gaeilge le energia arnu atá orú. And yeah, vi ma just a castle le dini tíh mó gon fork agus gur fearhorb ceistena faoin rugby agus ro an acu ein chean gona focail romid a chuir orú. Le unric bhí am hain cúpa gan an focail álamach ní ros am go crágáil go bin máil.
Yes.
Ví am dáhachtú crágáil ar móthir gur tú go really slow ach heb mar go máil mar crágáil. Yeah, bhí cúpa an man like yeah, like was that Mijéis war gober le rugby bio that piece so ví am the focail fad but like vi ma brand déine ma like ma just gná éist or nu locht land who like ní race at grog and focus ach vi ma actually pleasantly surprised if we actually piece of crack on so as you can mark from a company bug das nua Seachtain Gaeilge were designed specifically le flat whites so it's like a
oh my god
grom notion stuff amach so
Dinner bí atá sí an na Gaeilge tá acu an merch ein muid cibé áte hen muid tá sé actually Jacker dola gim at gan merch ail trú Gaeilge so I mean má him go laugh my wardrobe agus laugh my chofre just lá le rudí aim mo hin na Gaeilge idir copan rédi tí
Maid gans here
kiss it out literally
or keep cup bug
agus purple sin da so ma like delighted
Royal purple sin cart yeah sin James King James
no royal blue means on ní royal purple
sin de ga ó éile na galín ar chaitú tílé na curcra agus der a hand an leat goir an datit
yeah hey never wish fucking fall compliments by the left right and center as look the organ competition we should just by fit but I'll take them you know
der da hand in sin de ga James
Ken the fail Rudy Taship Sula ken the after OKT yeah
and fedal me an hainera is that legally allowed
no absolutely not no níl ce agat
well Jerry ma I can Ella vi mis rare which was she being Trí Gaeilge Cailín show it's a grand social agus vi cracker like I'm actually caiú and merch in you because sin cake was sitch is a time I see so vín siid siúil like fairly realta agus vi just fucking deadly just thingy watching like Daisa Trí Gaeilge you know better be like probably a couple of romance or shul heart and shin Tascatain the Cailí's been the dingy you know you never know Cave to go a woo law and shin hold on lagan dá chráite dá Pink Pony Club trí Gaeilge or not trí Gaeilge sorry but like rinch did go tradiisiúnta so like bhí se bhí like an fiddle exam school ra bhí se just unbelievable so yeah bhí mar fear gael an sin ag dine bhid isteach trees amach trees um agus just ahanana absolutely buzzing le sin so J as J sin
Bro, this is dinner on was that on Mike? Or to dinner
Bhí arm an drolí na bhúnú sin ru bhhain bhí arm siad so bhí arm dul so agus an drolí mar cartíanú agus go se a Seán man hen fásta listen the goat
absolute goat.
agus an sin ringmuid é hiag legan hiag á an eile agus an á eile go near muid na abracadabra Lady Gaga tas go bhí nuair aici but ringmuid é river was like ringmuid an drawing le rush le Troy Sivan that could be rud agus like ringmuid é le just leis na tunes sin ar fád but no ní se ar an bhaich no bhí má listen lá me se mu step sheer listen ní réalt mór me gal hart demanding go mé mas ar an stat an tamar fád
Tú go humble hiú.
Tá cho humble agus mé cho dóil fásta I don't know cén dóid
Ní réalt mór é hiú.
no
Both. He's an ascending star.
listen over under me sure Dancing with the Stars in the next 2 years should care the captain
I'd say má churach tú €100 ed go ngefach tú €103
Oh,
bin a ceach an lach
the odds are like it's not a promise it's a guarantee Ceirfut any care dú tú agsú leis le haí snog
Béar mains I brehéanú agus mé a dul hiag na himachtaí seo ach tá imacht ionta deasasúla go se ar gí mara. Istí I gos cuan. Bei Club Gaeilge chu seaige déanú sort ihe dráíochta ceol airna an just get crack. Sí am gohfuil gear grammar arsúla acu na marin bhí Gloclan as an sin bei ceol ó na lads ligáisiúla bei crankar arsúil agus bhí mistin tafaidir sin so tá misúla sin.
Cáhaanta
Táhaanta.
beautiful listen mór se like been an buzz heart like near time
Yeah.
truck go definitely but like that agus go Harry like imagine dingy being a Kirkash they are like faoi like seal like just completely increases like by like 1,000,000% when you're just this is like so like character agus like Cain well like imagine they give you even like in the much in a rare like imagine they give you like full more eggs thingy a real gay like aku but your stops to her like goosaja agus vi gary trail one chest or each like tá an méid an daoine atá táháis was sama chu an is like an cookie show whatever so like it's few gap blian like and I think obviously the mag like oh my god to hear these fudgy gap blian but the demand is there
Tá éiri sin ar an sih cumai má tá daoine iguríolalas alta mó mór ar híomh seachtain na Gaeilge agus sí go mín ar peg cumai.
yes
Yeah, tá sé peg lá agus tá níach tá mai lehanach a seacht agus níach fós ach ag an cúgiú lá go máta so
So níl éon leisce le daoine agus tátólas le an sin agus tá imachta a handan an sin idir le céilethe session ceol rudí de hisismathirs de hailí le tá an iiri sin arsúil.
Yeah, tá mú nóis go seach níos ach má aon na béal first chunig má go sin an yoga te aine in Gaeilge. No, that would be right up my alley now.
Oh my god we've lost him to the well lads sílim go bé sin gur mar bhé na seanslaí a rééis with the gamers last and man host them seansaí ar Instagram seansaí Twitter and seansaí ar YouTube but the game any Amsterdam man host this where anywhere Instagram anywhere Twitter is anywhere TikTok with the guy James Amsterdam man host this more Flyer Tacker Instagram Flyer Tacker Twitter is Flyer Tacker TikTok this is Gary Mahane Amsterdam man host the more you carry your Instagram carry your Twitter
Whoa.
I'm going crazy agus Hugh Carr ar TikTok
Agus Hugh Carr Drive time le dean gaiir nó ébicin tanm le chlár ní ach dééis me leis ní mar ri brandhir sin bhí me just a géisi le hiú.
Yeah, right.
Look, listen, I can't help it. You don't go when you have such a stud lot Coslam Hain or
Tá se
there.
chuisteach text céanna chud a lá ó lunga ine ag 4:03 PM ag rá. We need more Hugh.
We need more, give me more. As much Hugh as possible. Listen, all of it. It's all a bit of a laugh. Yeah, I guess I'm going to make or 2FM ga. Óling Jehine idir trí sé. Fásta tá seach na Gaeilge búlteann agus beidh Gaeilgearí ar siúil an seachtain seo sa Seachtain ar an Jardín agus bé a héanán, bé Éidir McQueenán, bé Louiseán. Seachtain seo tá nambastra de seach na Gaeilge sinné Shane Daniel Byrne, Michael Fry agus Julie J. an sin. And then an seachtain seo thugainn the Gaeilgearí ar siúil rís agus bé Eddie Malarkey agus Colm Regan ó Irish Mammies agus bé se deadly, bé se aontainna deadly, so ag súil go mór leis caithfí mé rá. Is ochla mar rá, go súil go mór. Le chuirtar siúla seach na Gaeilge. Na Gaeilge.
Shut up.
Well, just let this is James, literally just in comic book ordu hiag mahacanis. Marialler the Hudge inspirate. So it's influencer who?
Hey, má déanana gur aige a chur micró. No worries. Cá se má begéire má sponsor nu cíns just cuimne cechan notiony is really tá se agus má is gap go se go donna send it my way.
Like gold flaked oysters, like real like proper. Alright, today that I return the chance of him to contribute that reach a gadishin when he sold this in shopping. Slán!
Slán!